Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into how to import data from SQL database into Power BI. For that, prerequisites are SQL Server name, user ID and password. Now I am opening Power BI desktop application. Once Power BI desktop is open, navigate to Home tab and under Home tab, click on Get Data. Under Get Data, you will see a list of various data sources. From there, you need to select SQL Server. Here, you need to enter server details. Database is an optional one. If required, you can provide it. We can connect a SQL Server in two modes. One is import and the other one is direct query. Next, decide on connection mode. You have two options, import and direct query. If you choose import, Power BI will load the data into the report, making it available for offline analysis. This is useful for smaller datasets. If you choose direct query, Power BI will query the data in real time, which is ideal for larger datasets. And here we have another option called advanced options. From here, you can execute a SQL query. So now I am going to connect a SQL server in import mode. I am selected import mode and clicking on OK. Next, it is asking for different authentication methods. One is Windows authentication, another one is database, and another one is Microsoft. Here, I am choosing database authentication method. For that, I am providing username and password. After providing username and password, I am clicking on connect. It will ask for encryption support. I am allowing it to unencrypt. After authentication, you will see list of available databases and you need to select the required database. From there, you will see the list of available tables, views from your SQL database. Select the one you need and click on load. For now, I am selecting sales and then clicking on load. It starts evaluation and creating a connection in the model. After that, the data will get loaded into the Power BI desktop. And that's it. You have successfully imported data from SQL database into Power BI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.